18 high-protein casseroles for better heart health. There's nothing better than ending your day with a flavorful casserole for dinner. These delicious dishes are low in sodium and saturated fat to help support a healthy heart. They're also high in protein, with at least 15 grams per serving to make them extra satisfying. Try options like our creamy chicken Florentine casserole and Tamari-Ginger meatball and eggplant casserole for a protein-packed, nourishing meal that will help your heart function at its best. Number 1. Creamy chicken Florentine casserole. This creamy chicken Florentine casserole combines tender pieces of chicken, fresh spinach, and a rich, creamy sauce, all baked to perfection with a golden, cheesy crust. Whether you're looking to cozy up on a chilly evening or share a hearty home-cooked dinner with family, this casserole delivers an experience that feels like a warm hug on a plate. 2. Teriyaki chicken skillet casserole with broccoli. Whip up this quick and easy teriyaki chicken casserole in just one skillet. It's the perfect go-to recipe for hectic weeknights that's sure to satisfy a crowd. It's ideal for making use of any leftover chicken and rice you have on hand. If you're short on leftovers, a rotisserie chicken paired with a package of microwavable brown rice is a good substitute. Number 3. Tamari-Ginger meatball and eggplant casserole. Eggplant soaks up the flavors of ginger, garlic, and tamari in this Asian-inspired casserole recipe. A hot pepper in the topping adds a bit of heat, but opt for sweet if you prefer. 4. Creamy chicken and penne alla vodka casserole with peas. This cheesy chicken pasta casserole is perfect for a busy weeknight when you need a fast and easy dinner with minimal cleanup. Vodka sauce adds a creamy note to the sauce. If you don't have vodka sauce on hand, add a few tablespoons of cream to regular marinara. 5. Apple, bacon, and sweet potato mini casseroles. These sweet and savory mini casseroles are ready in just an hour. Refrigerate or freeze the leftovers to enjoy later. 6. Spinach and mushroom tortellini. Bake this cheesy tortellini bake is a dish the whole family will love. It's filled with sweet-tasting marinara, mushrooms, and spinach, and topped with melted cheese. Complete the meal, plus get in another vegetable serving by adding a side of broccoli or a small green salad. Number 7. Mom's creamy chicken and broccoli casserole. This lightened-up, creamy chicken casserole is packed with veggies. The sauce at the heart of this family-friendly casserole uses fat-free milk with a combination of fat-free Greek-style yogurt and a little mayonnaise to give it body. 8. Creamy chicken, mushroom, and spinach skillet casserole. This spinach-packed casserole cooks on the stovetop and bakes in the same skillet for a family-friendly dinner with an easy cleanup. You can use leftover chicken and cook the pasta ahead of time to speed up the prep. 9. Green chile rotisserie chicken casserole. This green chile rotisserie chicken casserole features tender rotisserie chicken with lots of tender vegetables. The corn adds a nice pop of sweetness, while the rice helps absorb some of the flavors. A crunchy topping of crushed tortilla chips finishes off this comforting, Southwestern-inspired casserole. 10. Garlic cashew chicken casserole. Combine brown rice, cashews, chow mein noodles, and vegetables galore with chicken in this delicious casserole. 11. Chicken spaghetti squash bake. In this version of a chicken and broccoli casserole, spaghetti squash takes on a creamy texture when baked with cream of mushroom soup. 12. Sweet potato, sausage, and goat cheese egg casserole. This hearty breakfast casserole, featuring roasted sweet potatoes, is the perfect dish to prepare for your next brunch gathering. 13. Tuna casserole with orzo, eggplant, and feta. Tuna casserole is a timeless comfort food recipe. This one incorporates eggplant, artichoke hearts, oregano, olives, and feta cheese for a Greek-inspired flair. 14. Chicken casserole with pineapple, peppers, and rice. Pre-cooked brown rice adds a boost of protein and fiber to this healthy casserole, versions of which are sometimes called Hawaiian chicken, while also saving prep time. Pineapple and red bell pepper provide color throughout the dish and lend a sweet flavor to counterbalance the fresh ginger and soy sauce. 15. Turkey vegetable bake. This delicious heart-healthy casserole is made with turkey, brown rice, and lots of vegetables. 16. Baked cavatelli casserole. This easy-to-make, comforting dish will keep you warm on a cold day. 17. Chicken noodle casserole. Flavorful chicken noodle casserole comes to life with this diabetes-friendly recipe. Select light sour cream to lower fat and calorie content. 18. Chicken, mushroom, and wild rice casserole. In Minnesota, chicken, mushrooms, and wild rice are often bound together in a casserole with cream of mushroom soup. We forego the sodium-rich canned soup and make a light, creamy sauce that gets depth of flavor from dry sherry and Parmesan cheese.